Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 1st, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, definitely check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did make a pretty nice push down right at that 138% Fibonacci extension level. Now we technically do have a Fibonacci bounce right here, but to me it looks more like it is 5 waves down. This move up is probably actually going to be a crescent to this last wave down, like a wave A, probably a wave B. I would expect this to continue sideways a little bit, maybe like this for an ABC crescent, maybe even make 3 waves down to the 50% fib level before we actually do get the end of this crescent and a continuation of the uptrend. Now we do have to remember that we are in a wave 3 of 3, I believe, on the much longer time frames, and because of that, sometimes what we think is a wave B, just like this last crescent down here, very easily could just keep on trending up. So I definitely primarily would still be looking for longs in an uptrend because I do think we are in a big uptrend on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website link down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.